Hello everyone and welcome to my YouTube channel. In this video I will tell you how you can change the location settings in Facebook. For this you have to click on three lines. After that you have to go to settings and privacy. In settings and privacy you can easily find the locations in permission section. As you can see in the video, if you click on location, then you will find all the settings related to your location. If you want to know what Facebook do with your location, then you can click on learn more. Then Facebook will tell you what they do with your location access you provide to Facebook. If you want to know, then you can read all the content which is provided in learn more. If you want to change the location settings, you have to click on location settings. In the video, go to device settings. If you want to change the location from Facebook Android apps, you have to click on Android settings. Then you will be moved to app info of the Facebook app, and you have to go to permission section. If you want to change the location settings and you want to turn it on or off, then you can change it from here. If you provide the location to Facebook, then Facebook can use it by showing you ads and related contents which are related to your location, like check-ins. Facebook will tell you nearby friends which are near your locations, and moreover it will show you ads related to that location. If you are new to this channel, kindly like this video, subscribe our channel and press the bell icon so that you can get the notification of our latest videos.